Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita's Tech Corner. In this video, we will learn about the installation process. To learn SQL, there are many software which we can use, but in these SQL tutorial videos, I'm going to use PostgreSQL. And this PostgreSQL is also free, so you can download it very easily and you can proceed with your SQL journey. Let's go to the next step. First, search with this Postgres download and just go to this link. This is the PostgreSQL.org download section. And from there, you can find out there are many installers. So I'm going to use this Windows installer. In the Windows installer, you will find out the what type of different platform supports it has. So just go to this download the installer area, click on this, and it will redirect to this link. From there, I am going to download this latest version for 64-bit laptop. Okay, so just save this one. So it's downloading and it's asking for some cookies related information. So just accept all. Close this one and it's downloaded. Okay, just double click and it will open the installer. Okay, okay, so the setup is go to next and go to the installation directory, then select all the option, then next, then provide the password, which will be the database super user password. Just try to remember this password. Okay, next, and by default the port is 5432. I'm selecting the default locally only. Next. Okay, now installation process has been started. Okay, it will take a little bit time. Okay, okay, so it's done. Now click on finish. Okay, so it will ask for something, welcome to Stack Builder. So this is the additional software area which we can install. Okay, maybe I don't need that one, so I'm just canceling this Stack Builder widget. Now my PostgreSQL has been installed. So first I'll click on this pg admin 4. Okay, this is the main management tools for PostgreSQL. So you have to provide some password, but we don't know this master password. So we're trying the old password like whatever we have given, but it's not working. So how will you log in? Just reset master password. Now I've clicked on this reset master password. Now you check, this will remove all the saved passwords. So just yes, and you need to provide the new password. Okay, now it's logged in. Now I have to select this PostgreSQL 15 because which I have installed there. Here I am going to use that password which I have used during the installation process. Now okay. Now I have logged in this PostgreSQL 15 and here are some area. Okay, let me down this. Okay, so this is the database. We have this by default, this Postgres database we have. Under the database, we have different type of schemas. We can create some database and all those things. We can create some schema also. And under that schema, also we can create schema. By default, we have this public schema. Under this public schema, we can also create another subschema and different table, views, materialize views, and all those things. Okay, just scroll down, and this is a table. So by default, we don't have any tables, but we are going to create something. So let me create one database here. Let's give some name. Training, and owner is Postgres only. So I'm just giving some comments. Okay, and save it. So now we have another new database. So you understand how to create a new database. So this is our training database, and by default all those hierarchy will be created. Now under that training, by default this public schema is there. However, in that public schema there is no tables. So we need some tables. So in our next video, we will learn about how we can create some tables with this PostgreSQL. Thank you. Thanks for watching.